Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to go offline on Ubisoft Connect so you can play your favorite games without any distraction or internet requirements. While Ubisoft Connect usually stay online to track your progress and achievements, there are times when you want to disconnect to save bandwidth or simply play in peace. To go offline, you should first launch the Ubisoft Connect application on your PC and make sure you are logged onto your account. Once the dashboard opens, you need to click on the hamburger menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the window. From the list of the options that appear, you should select the button labeled Go Offline and the application will instantly restart in an offline state. You will know it worked because a banner will appear at the top of the client stating that you are currently in offline mode and you can now launch any of your installed games that support local play. If you find that the button is missing or you cannot click to you can also go offline by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting invisible from the online status menu. This keeps you connected to the servers for cloud saves but hides your activity from your friends list. For a complete disconnection, you can also go into the general settings of the app and check the box that says always starts Ubisoft Connect in offline mode, which is very helpful if you have a slow or unreliable internet connection. To return to the online world, you simply click the menu icon again and select Go Online to sync your latest data and achievements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.